ever stopped to think about where your plate of spaghetti actually comes from? In Zimbabwe, the journey begins far from the kitchen, right in the golden fields of wheat. Today, we are taking you on an incredible journey from farm to fork, from harvesting wheat in the heart of Zimbabwe to processing the high-quality spaghetti. Join us as we explore how Zimbabwe is building local food production industries and how something as simple as wheat becomes the spaghetti on your dinner table. In Zimbabwe, wheat is grown in various regions, especially in areas with cooler climates and reliable irrigation. The wheat planting season begins around May to July, with harvesting typically taking place between October and December. Farmers prepare the land with tractors and planters. Wheat seeds are drilled into the soil and with right spacing and depth. During the growing season, the crop needs proper irrigation, pest control, and fertilization. Wheat is a demanding crop, but if you get the irrigation and nutrition right, you can get high yields. We aim for over 5 tons per hectare. After 4 to 5 months of growth, the wheat turns golden, signaling that it's time to harvest. Modern combined harvesters make harvesting process faster and more efficient. These machines cut the wheat, separate the grain from the chaff, and collect the kernels in large bins. Once harvested, the wheat is transported to storage silos or directly to processing facilities, depending on demand. It must be stored properly to maintain quality. To make spaghetti, we need semolina, a coarse flour made from durum wheat. In Zimbabwe, local milling companies have invested in specialized equipment to process wheat into semolina. The wheat first goes through cleaning, where dust, stones, and other foreign materials are removed. Then it's tempered with water and sent through a series of roller mills. The bran and germ are separated, and the hard endosperm is ground into semolina, the golden coarse flour that gives pasta its structure and texture. With semolina ready, we now move to the pasta production facility. Zimbabwe is a growing pasta industry, with companies like Gloria, Probrands, and others producing locally made spaghetti. The semolina is mixed with purified water to create a firm dough. No eggs or additives are typically added in standard dry spaghetti, just semolina and water. The dough is then pushed through bronze or Teflon dies, which shape it into long-form spaghetti. The extrusion process also creates that rough surface that helps sauce stick better. Once the strands are long enough, they are automatically cut to standard length around 25 to 30 centimeters. Now comes a critical step: drying. The spaghetti is slowly dried at controlled temperatures to remove moisture and preserve quality. This process can take 6 to 12 hours. After drying, the spaghetti is checked for quality, bundled and packed into bags or boxes, ready for shelves across Zimbabwe. Every batch goes through strict quality control. Technicians check for texture, breakage, color, and cooking performance. Local production of spaghetti not only reduces import dependence, it creates jobs from farmers and transporters to factory workers and marketers. Once it reaches your home, spaghetti becomes a canvas for culinary creativity. In Zimbabwean homes, it's served with tomato relish, beef stew, chicken, or even peanut butter sauce. From being a foreign product, spaghetti is now part of everyday Zimbabwean cuisines. Affordable, quick to cook, and satisfying, it's a staple in both rural and urban households. So next time you chew that fork of spaghetti, remember the journey it took from the wheat fields under the Zimbabwean sun to the plate in home. It's not just food, it's a story of Zimbabwean innovation, resilience, and local pride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories from Zimbabwe's growing agribusiness sector. Until next time, happy farming!